Learn Icelandic fast. Do.
Gera.
Make it happen. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, high five for pressing play. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we're powering up the action verb in Icelandic.
Gera.
It means to do or to make. By the end, you'll drop lines like a pro.
Ég geri. Við gerum.
Even the machine-friendly.
Það gerir.
It makes. Let's roll. Your goal today. You'll master the core forms and say them fast, even when your brain wants a coffee. Target words.
Gera.
Do, make.
Það gerir.
It makes.
Ég geri.
I do.
Við gerum.
We do.
Þið gerið.
You plural do.
Þau gera.
They do. Mission. Understand, speak, and joke with them, because if you can joke with a verb, you own it. Mini forms you actually use. Say them out loud, your mouth learns faster than your notes. I do.
Ég geri.
You, sing, do.
Þú gerir.
He does.
Hann gerir.
She does.
Hún gerir.
It does, makes.
Það gerir.
We do.
Við gerum.
You, plural, do.
Þið gerið.
They do.
Þau gera.
Imperative to yourself. Do it.
Gerðu það.
Comedy dialogue. Coffee-powered doers. Listen in and repeat the bold bits. Your barista brain will thank you. A. Okay team, let's do the list.
Gerum listan.
Ch.5 Café. B. Ja, first.
Gerum.
V verkefni, svo fagnum v. A. Careful, the machine is loud.
Það gerir hávaða.
B. No excuses.
Við gerum þetta.
Then chocolate. A. Deal, I'll start.
Ég geri það núna.
You take the easy part.
Þú gerir hinn hlutan.
Drills. Say it fast. Rapid fire, answer before I finish the sentence. Prompt. We do it every day. Answer.
Við gerum það á hverjum degi.
Prompt. It makes a difference. Answer.
Það gerir gæfumun.
Prompt. You, plural, do the homework together. Answer.
Þið gerið heimavinnuna saman.
Prompt. They do nothing without a plan. Answer.
Þau gera ekkert án áætlunar.
Prompt. Make coffee. Answer.
Gerðu kaffi.
Quiz time. Quick check. Shout the answers. Walls don't judge. Q. Which Icelandic verb means to do, to make? A.
Gera.
Q. Translate, it makes noise. A.
Það gerir hávaða.
Q. Fill the blank. We underscore this now.
Við gerum þetta núna.
Q. Say, you, plural, do your best. A.
Þið gerið ykkar besta.
Bonus bridge, German to Icelandic. If you know German, here's a fun mapping you can flex. German, machen. Icelandic.
Gera.
Ich match.
Ég geri.
Du machst.
Þú gerir.
Matched.
Hann gerir.
Sie matched.
Hún gerir.
Es matched.
Það gerir.
Wir machen.
Við gerum.
IHR matched.
Þið gerið.
Sie machen.
Þau gera.
Culture tip. A common hype phrase in Iceland. Memorize this. Fans and teams say,
Gerum þetta.
Let's do this. Also everyday magic.
Gera kaffi.
Make coffee. Say it, sip it, do it. Your 30-second challenge. Make 3 tiny lines using today's verbs. Ready? 1. I do my list now. Say it with
Ég geri.
2. It makes me happy. Use.
Það gerir.
3. We do it together. Use.
Við gerum.
Pro tip. Clap the beat, do.
Gera.
Friendly wrap up. Nice work, tiny steps, big wins. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Gera.
In real life, tick one small task right now. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.
Gerum þetta.